This is Ryan Outdoorsman, sitting here at the mighty Ohio, and we got some rain coming in later, so I'm hoping it might get a little bite going on. But the river's actually up from when it's being down, and maybe, just maybe, we'll catch something today. But here's my little redneck ingenuity rod holders. There's my little one in the back eating him some donuts. Using the back of the truck. That's how we roll. Alright, I'll get back with you if we catch something.
Dad, you know what that felt like, right? Did you know what that felt like?
Hello everyone, this is Ryan Outdoorsman, and I'm going to catch some bait. I told you I was going to eventually catch some bait. Now to hook up and to throw out. You gonna help me get these cars?
What?
You gonna help me get these?
Yeah. How many did you catch? We got lots of them. You got lots of them. Want me to put them in?
These are gizzard shad.
You want me to put them in the bucket?
You need to get water.
Can you get the water for me? Huh? Can you get the water for me? Dad, hold them. Dad, hold them. Hold them. Put water in the bucket.
Ooh.
Dad, put water in the bucket, please. Dad, put water in the bucket.
Yep, here we decided to switch positions. Some guy let his kids come down where we was at behind the flood wall and throw a bunch of logs and rocks in. So we decided to come over here to the marina and maybe might be able to do something. So if we catch anything, we'll keep you posted. So, have you ever felt that you are a fisherman and not a catcherman? That's how I felt this year. Not one catfish to show for. It'd be nice if the gar would quit taking my stuff.